What is Huperzine A? Let's start with the basics. Huperzine A is a naturally occurring alkaloid compound derived from a Chinese moss called Huperzia serrata. It has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine for its cognitive enhancing properties. Mechanism of action. So how does Huperzine A work? Well, it acts as an acetylcholinesterase inhibitor. Acetylcholinesterase is an enzyme that breaks down acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter crucial for memory and learning. By inhibiting this enzyme, Huperzine A increases acetylcholine levels, promoting improved cognitive function. Benefits of Huperzine A. Now, let's dive into the exciting part, the benefits of Huperzine A. Improved memory, enhanced focus, neuroprotective effects. Studies suggest that Huperzine A may help improve memory, enhance focus, and exhibit neuroprotective effects. These benefits make it an intriguing compound for those seeking cognitive enhancement. Cognitive disorders and Huperzine. A Huperzine A has also gained attention for its potential role in managing cognitive disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease. Some research indicates that it may help slow down the progression of cognitive decline. Dosage and safety. Now, let's talk about the practical aspects. What about dosage and safety? Recommended dosage, potential side effects, interactions. While Huperzine A is generally considered safe when taken at recommended doses, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and interactions. Always consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine. Sources of Huperzine A. Where can you find Huperzine A? Well, it's available as a dietary supplement in various forms, such as capsules and tablets. However, it's crucial to choose high-quality, reputable sources to ensure purity and effectiveness. And there you have it, a brief exploration of Huperzine A, its benefits and uses. If you're considering incorporating it into your routine, make sure to do your research and consult with a healthcare professional. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.